What's up, guys? It's currently 6:53 a.m. on a Thursday, and we just entered in an oil trade. Short. So I've been seeing when I take trades with the trend that it's been getting way better R&Rs. Like literally, I plotted 2 trades yesterday. R&Rs were like 6-1, 7-1, and one was even 10-1. I couldn't believe it. And I missed all those trades. It's because I didn't believe in it. I was in one trade, and I sat there and watched it. Same thing I preached to you guys not to do. I sat there and watched it, and it hit a little bit of a high, and then started to reject. And then when it came back there, I decided to take some of my profits, and I ended up making $100 on it. After and I was risking $100 to make $900, and it ended up realizing TP, and I wasn't there for it. I only made $100. And then there was another trade with oil where I had it set up for a sale, and the risk to reward was, oh my gosh. And I missed that one because I was in the bathroom, and I could have got in a little bit later, but I hate entering in trades late. Regardless, I would have made profit, but I ended up not making profit. Yesterday was rough. It was a rough day, but that all came from not really following my plan. So I'm gonna do a quick breakdown of oil, and I'm gonna leave it the hell alone. If it loses, it loses. I lose 100 beans. This one is set up the same way. With the trend. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing. We're below the moving average on the hour. There's a big green candle here, which makes me worried, but I'm just gonna stay true to my strategy. Real shit. We're below the moving average right here on the hour. Okay. 30 minutes seems to be overbought. It's above the moving average, but it's overbought and curling down, which is something I like to see. Five minute. Now this is what I don't like right here. It's oversold in this area. I mean, I don't really rely too much on the stochastic. But look, we're overbought and curling down right here at this peak. You can't put, your whole life on a stochastic. You're looking at where price is right now, and you're like, oh my god, price is it's oversold, it's going up. Like, yeah, dude, it could go up, it could retrace a little bit. It doesn't have, just long story short, trust your trade, bruh. Trust your trade. But literally, this is what happened. Coming to the hour, I seen that it was below the moving average. 30 minute, it was above the moving average, but the stochastic was way overbought and pointing down. And there's some wicks up top, which I like. Same thing with the 15 and with the 5. It gave me a little hammer right here, which is not enough for me to enter. And then it gave me this hammer, which was still not enough for me to enter. So I waited to see the price was starting to move down, and if it was gonna leave, it was gonna leave. I was gonna miss the trade. Fuck it. You want to enter the best possible, get your risk to reward right. So a little bit home price did come up, created this bullish signal, and I almost bought. I was like, I was looking for ways, changing my plan. I'm like, if it does this, it could. But at the end of the day, I'm looking for sales because I want to trade with the trend so I can get the most possible pips. But yeah, it started to come up, and then it printed another bearish pattern right at this zone. 2 bearish patterns at the zone. So I was starting to think that this bullish pattern, this shooting star, was more false. Hopefully my analysis is correct. There is news at 7:30. Challenger job cuts, and news at 8:30. Hopefully we're on the right side of things. We'll see. I come back to you because I'm not gonna look at this trade no more. I set my stop loss and my take profit. Here, I show you like I usually do. And that's all she wrote. Sometimes the mouse kills me. Risking $167 to make $945. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out. We lose $106. What is that? A half percentage of the account. We'll be alright. Because honestly, we could definitely get stopped out. The thing about this trade is I see a little supply right here, but there's supply up here too, and if we look at this whole big ramp down, if we go to the 15 and there's a bit of consolidation right there, so I'm gonna take this ramp down right here, or let's go like this. Let's see how far we retrace. I know I got it looking confusing as hell. Let me move this one. Okay, so right now, oops, no, I did it wrong. That's how I want to do it. From the top, there we go, to the bottom. So right now, it looks like it's rejecting the 38. Then price move back up. It's moving back up pretty hard too. But it seems like it's rejecting this 38, but this would be more of a shallow retracement before continuing, but it could move up to the 5, it could move up to the 618. That's where most people take their trades, and you see where that 618 is. Do you notice where that 618 is? Take the 618, bring it back. It's at a low, the previous lows. You know what I'm saying? So that is really the ideal. That's like an ideal entry right there. Price could even come up to the 786. Price can come up. Price can come up here. We don't know. We don't know. We just trying to find the highest probability trade. But I think in my heart that this is gonna continue. So we're just gonna see what they do. You feel me? Just trust your trades, because if I would have trusted my trade yesterday, oh my gosh, I would have been this much farther on the verification. This much farther. So I'm gonna just trust it. I don't care what it do. I don't care if price looks like it's rejecting this. Look. I don't give a damn if price comes down here and rejects it 3 times. I'm not getting out. I'm not doing it. I'm not moving my stop loss. I'm not doing it, because I want that 900. If it ain't 900, it's no 100. I'm losing that 150. That's fine with me. Shit. But yeah, I'll get back to y'all. It looks like we're moving. Hopefully we can sustain these lows. I'll get back to y'all, show y'all the progress of the trade. Hey, what it is, guys. We're still in oil. Oil's playing around. We're kind of in the consolidation range, but I'm hoping oil continues to fall after it breaks this low. It could hit the low. It could come back up here, but I'm hoping it continues down and we find newer lows since the selling pressure has been so extreme lately. We entered a trade. We actually lost one. I jumped the gun. I waited for one little signal, one little shooting star signal, and I'm like, yeah, it's gonna go. So I made my little mistake right there. I jumped the gun. Got stopped out once this low was broken, and now we're back in. We're back in. We're at. It's testing this high right here. It created a big green candle and then another little higher low right here. So I'm feeling all right about this one. We got this going to daily highs because we're getting really close to daily highs, and I think price can hit these daily highs before ultimately continuing bearish again, because SPY and Nas has been bearish for a while. It just recently started rallying to the upside like this. Like if you go to the 1 hour, you can see that clearly. For a while it's been bearish. I believe this is a correction wave. Shit, you know what I haven't done in a while? We're not gonna do it on daily, we're gonna do it on the 4 hour. I haven't done it in a while. I ain't even gonna do it. But yeah, I just wanted to give y'all a quick update. So we're down. We're at about up maybe a fraction of a percentage set in stone right now in the account, but this trade looks like it's up as of right now. Let's see that VIX. Hopefully that VIX continues to reject here, continues down just like it has been doing. Hit this low. Go back to and then oil playing around, kind of a risky trade. I feel like when we're getting up here, I should take it right here, but honestly, just from, I don't know, we gonna see what happens, but right now this is where we at. And I'll give y'all an update. Let me show you the proof real quick. So here is the Nas100 trade. Man, if I lose this one, that'll be 2 Nas losers in a row. I'm gonna be tight. And I know I could trade Nas. It's just that I jumped in way too early. I don't want to get discouraged from making mistakes. Plan could be good. You just make mistakes. You're human. It's all good. But yeah. Looks like oil's moving pretty well. I'm not going to get excited until these lows are broken right here. Now we have 260 on oil. Can bank in at least 900. If our TP is realized. Yeah. So I'll let you know how it's going. Get back to you. Maybe, you know what? I'm about to just leave this on the screen for you guys. No cap. How do I, there we go. So, US, and then where's crude? So, boom. I hate how this is. They should have like an automatic. US 30. Oh shit, US 30 going down. You know what that mean? That mean now it's going down. It's 100. That's Nas100, which is not going our way so far. Where our trades go. There we go. So let's zoom out a little bit on that. Zoom out. Bada bing. Zoom out a little bit on this one. Bada bing. So if we lose this trade, we'll lose 300. If we lose this trade, we'll lose 200. So we'll lose 400 total if we lose both these trades, putting our account at 2,400. Yeah, I don't even know all that. But yeah, we'll lose 400 overall. Or was it 300? I forgot. But anyway, 1,000. This one hits TP, we'll make 1,000. If this one hits TP, make 900. All right. I'll get back to you on it. I'm about to let these bitches go. I could just watch it. I'm gonna go feed my son. I don't like the way the VIX is looking though. I don't. On the 5 minute though. Fuck the 5 minute. At 15 though. If I can see a red candle on that 15 one. Ooh, it's going down. That's what I like. Y'all can see that, right? Y'all can see clearly. US 100, Nas 100. We are long, and on oil we are short. Okay. Let me mark out my shit. Okay, I thought I changed you up. TJ. That's already here. This one's not there no more, so. If I get hit again, I'm gonna be tight. Okay, so I set alarms. What I did was I set alarms so I don't have to sit here and watch it and get scared and make more mistakes. I set alarms for my stop loss and I set alarms for my take profit. So I'll know. It just hits my phone. Bing, 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 you lost. Bing, 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 you won. Or bing, 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 you earned that. I don't really like saying you won, cause nigga, I earned that. I've been studying for years. We been studying for years. Trader strong in this bitch. Sorry, I got really emotional. Yeah, we gonna see, man. My oil trade's a little risky in my eyes. Just cause once it hits this area, I feel like it could definitely bounce up and possibly break up to the 618 before coming down, because that's how oil like to move sometimes. But we can see. I'm waiting to see if we're gonna get this breakout, so I might watch oil a little bit. Nah, fuck that. I'm leaving oil. This is my analysis for oil. This is what I want. If it breaks up, then I lost 100. I lost 150, $200. Big whoop. I'm gonna look for the better, more high probability trade once it reaches a different area, and we gonna try again. Yeah, cause I ain't cutting no losses short. You see that mindset that I just had? See, I had to knock myself out of it. Y'all seeing this? Y'all seeing a trader grow right in front of your very eyes. What's working best for me? I'm learning how to implement it more and do it. Okay? I don't give a damn if I lose, because I know I win more than I lose. And I know if I win, I'm covering a couple losses. When I win, I'm covering a couple losses. So, yep. I'm out of here. See my heartbreak being up 200 like that, and just Nas tricked me twice. Nas got me twice today. Oh, it's still 300. Stop, bro. That shit finna hit the stop, gang. It already pinged my stop on my that I marked up, and it didn't close me out, so I'm like, what the fuck is going on? But my stop is a little bit different up here. Sad, just sad. And hopefully oil can realize. Just sad. Just 2 trades in a row, bro. $250 each. Like $500, $600, man. Bro, if US100 reverses, that's gonna be insane. It's highly volatile right now. You see that shit? It's 9:30. Market open. There's no way I'm not getting stopped out. There's no way I'm not getting stopped out. I'm praying it doesn't, but look at it, huh? There we go. Stop me out. Oil's my only hope now. Oil's my only hope. I follow my plan. It just didn't work out this time. Oil's my only hope. We're counting on you, oil. So sad. I did not think Nas was gonna go start doing this bullshit. I thought we was good money on that. But continue embarrassed. It's time. You see that shit move like that, bro. Oof. Oh, I wish I would have waited for it. So now all this gotta go. I'm not entering no more Nas trades today, though. I don't give a fuck what it do. Maybe if it rejects right here. That looks like a good aggressive. Tap into that zone. I bet you it's gonna go to the upside. I might even look for an entry still. Just my strategy says it's bullish, so I believe it's gonna hit that high. I just think I got in a wee bit early. Look at that. Look at that. That could be selling pressure though. I'm not getting in this shit. Wow. Insane. Wow. Bro, I'm getting in this shit, gang. I'm only gonna risk. That's crazy how it just stopped me out like that. Let's think above it. Tap to the zone. Below on the 15, below on the 5, which is a good reason to sell. I'm not fucking with it, man. I don't care what happens. Hopefully oil continues down to 89. 89, 6. This profit is gonna help us a lot. We need this, because now we're down to 27. Unbelievable, bro. But you know, not to see now. This is important. Like, you can't trade everything the same, yo. For real. Now it's looking like it's giving me my... Four. 4.5. They did me fucking dirty. And I know this shit's gonna hit a high. Yeah, we back in. We back in. We in like right here. Try to get in earlier, but well, 3 times the charm. Only risking 0.5% this time. Cause I just can't take another loss on that, on US 30, bro. Fuck my mental. 160. Bro. I only took it to the low because I think it's just gonna keep moving, but possible it doesn't. We'll see. I have to make $1,000 just to fucking be up 700, and I was up 700 already. And there's no guarantee that I'm gonna win these trades. You know what I did though? You know what I wish I did though? I wish now I can start developing a strategy when I know it's going my way. I got in right here. I see another entry right here. Could have took this one. Nas, man. Don't do what I did, man. If you lose 2 trades in a row, don't try to enter like, oh, it's on some. Cause look what's about to happen. I'm about to lose Nas again, bro. Again, and that'll bring my balance even lower. Look at this shit. And these types of things can really set you back, especially if you're trying to acquire a funded account. Look at this, about to hit my stop. You just love losing money. Nas just really wants to go bearish, bro. Oh my gosh. You're down 500, bro. And fucking insane. Bro, and I swear I should have just put my stop loss down there. Getting hungry, getting greedy, starting to revenge trade. I think I tried to revenge trade that. I should have just stopped looking at it. No cap. Shut your ass up. Holy fucking moly. Yeah, bro. Trend line. I'm only taking sales off the trend line. Okay, got you. Don't have to do that again. I get it. I get it. I'm understanding now. Yeah, with VIX, when it comes to the VIX, you can't just get in close on the 5 at the 15 and do shit like that, bro. You gotta have a general area where you think price, like when price gets to this trend line, and if it rejects it, feel me? Because the VIX fucks me up, bro. If I was watching it correctly, then I could have avoided these losses, these bum ass losses. I'm down 500 for the day. Unfucking believable. If we close this trade out right now, we breaking even. Be up like 100. That's fine. I'm thinking about just trading oil, man. For real. If I was just trading oil, I probably would have been watching it. I'll have to change my rules a little bit. Like, I can't, like, if I don't want to leave it, if I could look for another entry.
To everybody out there making progress that goes unrecognized because you don't show your darkest moments. You're winning battles that no one knows anything about. So keep going. I don't know who needs to hear this, but shout out to everybody out there making progress. Kanye literally had people going through the dumpsters. I think you and me, we literally were just like, what? Like whatever happened to Gap and Yeezy, and then literally a couple days later, there's like emails going out. It's like Times Square. Then like there was one in Miami. I think there's like popping up everywhere. I mean, you're kind of crapping on your consumer because it's not a chill, fun way to buy stuff. People still had to line up like they were at Supreme, except instead of having some rude skater help you buy shoes, you literally had to like pull your size, and everything's like triple XL. So Kanye literally had people like me. I don't know how old you are. 15 years old. What you do every day? I do push-ups. I gotta stay in shape. How do you do a day though? I do maybe do 200-300 a day. See, but I do it in repetition. I take my time and just. I gotta try to see that you man. So let them know where you from though. I'm from Rayford. Rayford, North Carolina. I know you down. Let them know. Straight like that. What's your name, sir? I want to tag. Call me Mr. McFadden. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, so you been getting McFadden. All right, cool. I don't know how old you are. 15 years old. What you do every day? I do Twitter. Put that down real quick. Pose for me real quick. Come pose, bro. God damn. A real pose. Ready? 1, 2. Alright, bet. Whoa, what the fuck?
You know what? This happens all the time with oil. That I noticed on that second re-entry. Well, that second re-entry is within this. The second re-entry technically didn't pop up yet. So this is the breakout.
We want price to come up a little bit more. Create a second entry. If this is the low though, so technically the new fib would go. And you know what? Let's do this so it looks a little bit less confusing. Take away this TP. I mean this fib. Go from here to there, just in case that's that low. And it's looking like it is. Okay. Final rejection. Boom, 618. Boom. Right there. Perfect. Perfect profit target, I think, for my first trade. And that's if price doesn't, reverse completely. But usually oil likes to set up again. Bro, I know y'all see this bullshit, bro. Oh my gosh. King, look at this, bro. I lost on this 3 times today. 3 times. Just for this shit to happen. And I knew it was gonna happen. I'm gonna have to backtest this. This all comes back to backtesting. Like, Marcus, I always guess it right, but I get stopped out, blah, blah. Yeah, that shit happens to me too. You have to backtest more. I don't backtest this enough. It's my fault. I didn't put in the work. You can't trade everything the same exact way. I can't trade oil the same way I trade US or US 100, Nas 100. I can't trade Nas 100 the same way I trade Euro USD. I can't trade Euro USD the same way I trade gold. Each individual thing moves differently. Okay? You can guess, you know what I'm saying? But that whiplash be fucking me up, bro. That's why I'm gonna start taking aggressive entries. Sharp pullbacks. Because this is exactly how it likes to do. Let's do like this. Ain't that about a bitch? No, right here. Boom. This is that demand zone. Came back, it touched it, and it rejected that 786. So Nas100, you gotta enter aggressively. The best possible area, or you're gonna get fucking stopped out every time. This one's climbing back up. Hopefully it gives us our retest. If we lose this trade, bro, I'm gonna be sick. I ain't gonna cap. Especially after what happened yesterday. 188. I'll be back at negative 700, bro. Hour didn't break. This is not good. This is not good at all. Well, it's not bad. You just see. Y'all see how weak my trading psychology is? I'm gonna look for another entry though. It's right here. It's breaking back up into that consolidation. That's not good at all, bro. Worst nightmares are happening today for me. Being up 600, not only up, not even 300. And it's not rejecting this low. It's blasting back then. Bro. I cannot believe this shit. Oh my gosh. My psychology isn't there yet, guys. Reason why I should. I don't give a fuck about nothing about this trade unless it's here or here. I don't think I understand, man. I'm sick right now. Oh my freaking gosh. It's just cause this hour didn't close, bro. And there's 7 minutes left. The fact that it even closed below it makes me think that this is just a wick, and there's another retracement coming. There's a retracement coming. It could retrace all the way back up to here. Stop me the fuck out.
Where the fuck is this shit? Fucking see, nigga. How you lose 3 whole fucking percent today? Just got 1% each trade. 700. I've seen that happen before too. Filled this wick. Another 1% Hopefully this is my retest. Just because you lost on those trades doesn't mean you shouldn't have confidence on oil. You know how that shit move, gang. Hey. Oops.
Move that shit before it gets. It'll be 1,500, which will put me. If I win this trade, that'll put me at 1,500, which means what's 525 and then 1,000. I'll be halfway there. Shit. If I see this low being broken, I'm gonna be happy, man. Boom. So we're in 2 trades on oil. I think we're gonna hit our take profit. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Y'all seeing real raw emotion. Like, bro, I lost $700 just now. I'm set back. If I didn't lose that, if I didn't lose those trades, these 2 trades would have put me so much more closer to where I had to be. But still, this would bring me up if I win this trade right here. But yeah, man, you got to see, you know, the market just fucked me up. Market's is fucking me up, bro. I had a little. This hurt my heart, bro. I lost here, and then I lost somewhere right here. You gotta be careful, dog. So if oil moves the way it usually moves, then we can see price come down and hit our TP. Usually does move for 2618 according to the fib. So if we break that low, then I'm gonna be feeling pretty confident and move towards 87.90. I'm still hurt though, guys. I'm hurt. Let's take a look at I'm hurt. I might trail this. I'm not trying to lose anymore, bro, because if I take a loss on this, on both of these, I think I'll lose, honestly. 245 loss. So that's another $400 loss on top of $700 loss. That's like $1,500. I'll still be in good standing, but I'm not trying to do that. No. I'm only down. Okay, so I'm only down 2%. I'm only down 2%, and if I lose again, like 400, that'll be another almost 2%, almost. Now this one, I'm thinking about just getting out of it, because I just don't want to lose anymore. But you gotta trust your trades and risk enough that you're comfortable losing. So let's do this math 100% and get the good idea before I start getting all hasty. Even though I should have did this math before. $245. So 433. $2,400 flat. $2,400 flat. They're like, oh, you getting close, nigga. They're like, oh shit. I still got time. I still have until the 26th. Bro, I'm really tempted into closing these trades and then starting fresh. I'll start flat at 2,500 again. I think that's the smartest thing to do. Of course, believe in your trade, blah, blah, blah. But if I close these trades now, I'll start flat again. Which is probably the smartest thing for me to do in my position right now. At least if I close one, though, right? Hold up. If I close one, if I close the 495 one, then this take profit isn't. It's 505. So even if I do that, I'll still be up 500 if I win. But if I lose both of them, then real chill, nigga. You should never, ever, ever feel like this during a trade. So the best thing for me is to close these bitches out. But now it's not even this. And start fresh. Start fresh for me because I can't lose this. I cannot lose this account. Oh my gosh. Scared of my fucking mind, bro. If I lose these trades, I'll just be super close to fucking. I'll have to be really careful. I'll be at like 1,000. I'll just be halfway. I'll be like -4%. Yeah, I'll be -4%. I won't get my. I won't violate my daily loss limit, but Come on, what you doing? Bro. Me hot, bro. Bro, just close the fucking page. Look at the high-low with the bullish engulfing. I need to see a rejection off this. Oops. It closed everything? It closed all my tabs. I'm just trying to do one fucking thing, bro. I'm just trying to put the stop loss because I'm sitting here getting mad looking at it. Store that bitch. Fuck. Yeah, just all of them, goddamn. Fucking Nas, bro. I'm so pissed. I'm sorry to have that line there. Y'all don't understand how important this is to me. I'm so stressed out right now. Really thinking about just taking what I got right now and just starting new. I want to trust my analysis. I really do. It's just that these losses already, man, it's just fucking with me. Fuck with me, OD. So it did ended up closing on the hourly with a pretty big wick, but studies show body closed that big and the wick is big like that, the wick tends to fill, especially when it's a breakout candle. Travel up the body about halfway, just like it did. So I'm just gonna trust my analysis, man. And hopefully reap the benefits. We'll make about 1,400 on this account, which will put us up, back up. Plus halfway. But anyway, it's already on there. know, it could do anything from here, dude. It could shoot up from here. Obviously, there's buying pressure. That big ass green candle. That big ass green candle. That fucking big ass wick going to the upside.
What news is next? 10:30.
Stay with it, bro. Stay with it. You'll have to fight a battle to get back, but you can do it. But trust your trade. Y'all can see I'm drained. I'm drained. Don't. But there's a lot into this for me, so there's a lot of emotion in this. So when I lose, I feel it. You know, literally the only thing that keeps me afloat is risk management. I used to over leverage. I've blown account. Literally, the most recently I've blown an account was probably like 2 weeks. No, not 2 weeks. Probably like 3 weeks to a month ago. Prior to the challenge, prior to, you know, my discipline, I've become a lot more disciplined, and I'm learning every day. Every day. There was 2 trades that I missed yesterday that if I got both of those trades, they would have did me justice. So, but I didn't. One, I was in the bathroom, and the other one, I just didn't believe in it, so I got out early. I'm never doing that again. Never. But yeah, I got marked up. The TPs are the same. But I got my stop losses, both stop losses marked up. Both stop losses marked up. And hopefully we can see this low being broken, man. I'm gonna be really happy. Cause then we'll fight back from a big hole. Big hole that we dug with Nas100, and look at that. I didn't want to be in that shit anyway. Yeah, we gonna wait until price touches rather up here or down here. But right now we're worried about oil. Come on, baby. We need this low being broken, or else shit don't mean shit. Put that right down the bottom of the wick right there. I don't like that, but it's really early. There's 4 whole minutes left into the candle, so hopefully it fills the wick and continues to break the low, and then continues to our final take profit. Where we at right now? I'm tempted to take it all right now. Be up $200. Start fresh tomorrow. I'm real tempted, bro. Not even gonna lie. Especially with these wicks right here. Top and there's wicks on the bottom. Buyers and sellers. Over there. Look at that. Yeah, buddy. He was definitely wrong. Not hitting that daily high. Keep watching this. Oh. My fucking back. Let's turn this off just in case some kids run up in here. Start pressing buttons. I'm gonna be hella tight. Let me take these freaking things off of fucking Nas. Keep hitting my stop loss shit. It's like, yeah, I know we lost, and we got stopped out that other trade too. Nas is just not a good day. It's looking like it wants to fully reverse from that bullish and start going bearish again. We can start winning again. But yeah, let's get rid of this. We're still not where we want it to be at, man. And oil in the 80s. Very new lows today. Just gotta see a sustain. Should I take the bread? I don't know. This candle closes like this, then I might take it. I just don't want to, lose anything. I really do think I can hit my TP. Yeah, look at that thing. Especially if it keeps coming down and then near the later the candle close up here, I'm just not gonna like it. Shit. What was this? 10:30. That's already happened. That must have been that push. What is this? 11:30. I don't want to be in here past 11:30. So looking alright though. Alright, looking at this too, but this has a timer right here, and I think you can get a timer. I think you can like install a timer for the candles on an MT4. Don't know though. Yeah, look at this. I don't like that shit. Like, how you gonna move down like that and then close above? I need that body to come. I need that body bigger. I need a bigger body. But then again, if this hammer prints like this, the hammer's not on a level. If I'm looking at this hammer, I'm not gonna be like, let me buy. No, nigga, the hammer's not on a level. Nor, that's another thing that helps me stay in trades. I think about like, would I go opposite direction here? Could I see it going up? And if I can't really see it, then I'll just try to stay in it the best I can. But I hate how that candle closed. We'll see if it does it again. Hopefully it doesn't start moving back up, because I like the profits that we have. I want to realize take profit. Look at the challenge too, bro. This is just sad. Look at this. We were all the way up to like 2%, a little bit higher. We're all the way down to negative 2%. That's why I want to take this trade, bro. What else? Everything. Yeah. What y'all think, man? Should I stay in the trade? Should I break up out of here, take my grand, which is slowly becoming less than a grand? Or should I hold it? I already know what I want to do. I want to hold it. But as far as my account and the challenge and verification, oh man, it will just, look at this. Look at this. See, some people would take a buy right there. Like back in the day, I would take a buy right here. Watch it go up here, profit a little bit. I'll be like, yeah, boy, reversal's coming. We're almost. Oh, no, nigga, no, nigga. I'm gonna just leave it. Not only do I think these can continue, I think we got a long way down to go. Probably not all the way today, but we got a long way down. If y'all look at, let's look at the 4 hour trading within a channel. The best sales are coming off of this trend line. We got in the sale right here, but oh my gosh, yesterday, oh my gosh, I wish I didn't miss that. Could have swung that bitch. Swung it to fill this wick. We'd have just been getting out right now with 5 grand. Oh, I need you to fuck it up. Yeah. Fuck it up. For seasons. Break all the rules like a convict. Ooh, ooh. I need you to. Oh, the way oil moves, man, like it's not breaking. Like these wicks are all starting to stop at the same. Sorry, they outside yelling at each other and shit. Distracting as hell. I hate when this happens. My trading view looks different. Hey, it's such a stretch. Seems like such a stretch more. That's not even where my shit is. Right here. It look a little bit different. Yeah, if it wicks out again, I'm not gonna like that. I'm trying to see structure. Structure's already broken, but it's wicking. Let's see. And it is oversold. I'm about to exit my positions. You could realize, but I'm happy. $7 here, $300 here. It's like a 1 to fucking 6 still. This one. This one was a 1 to 5. And this one was a 5 to 1. This was a 3 to 1 basically. Making those. Oh, it's not sustaining, and it's early in the candle. We finna be out of this guy. Oh shit. I wanted to get out, and now I don't want to get out because it's retracing. I want to get up down here. And the way price is moving right now, that shit look like it's finna start going up. But don't play with me, I'll swing this shit. Hey, yeah. Fuck it up. Anything, yeah. Switch up on me like a 4 seasons. This is just so hard to watch. Hostile ass work environment. Some niggas telling each other to shut up. He's like, I'm trying to do my job. He's like, shut up, you run your mouth too much. Like, they out there tripping, boy. I do not miss the manual labor ass jobs, gang. They really think literally they're outside redoing the parking lot. They like they weathered it and they're redoing the paint and shit like that, and they just the boss is talking to them anyway he just want to talk to him. Oh my gosh, I don't miss that. I do not miss that. And I'm gonna have to go back to it unless I get these gains, you feel me? It looks like we're making newer lows. Damn, can you hear that? Can you hear that, bro? This nigga is screaming at him. I'm about to close out though. No cap. I closed the $700 trade out. Thinking about it was probably gonna realize TP, but I just don't want to take any chances. So we closed that one out. Right here. And we'll let the other one run. Maybe
Maybe we should have closed the other one too. I just want to close it, no cap. I mean, it's really early in the candle. This candle just started, so I don't see it staying like that. I need you to fuck it up. Whoa. That would just be really weird. Kind of wish I didn't close out the other trade just because I have so much confidence in it, but right now I'm covering risk. I'm back above where I need to be. I'm super proud of that. And once this one hits for 500 $20 more, I'll be almost at 2,700, which I was already at before. But yeah, dude. One trade, bro. That one trade. That's why I should be trading like that from the get-go. I would have been past. No cap. Look at that big ass jump. Look at all these little fucking. Look at this bullshit. Little fucking. That's from NC. This is helping me refine my strategy, bro. And you exited this one early. The fuck is you talking about? But honestly, I don't know. We'll see. Niggas still out there yelling at each other. Bro, I'm not trying to go back to that, bro. I need to pass this verification, and I can't be making them fucking mistakes. Bro, oh my gosh. If I didn't lose $700 today, right now, without closing this trade, I'd be at 2,600. That's halfway there. Without closing this trade. And then if that one hit, we'd be at 1,500. $500 away from our goal. But with this winning, we'll be at almost halfway, which will still be close to our goal. Bro, my plants are outside. And they outside spray painting, and it just smells. The smells coming through the window. Like, bro, my plants is outside right now, gang. Yeah. The TP over here is different than the TP I got right here.
The only thing that really sucks is like trying to guess like, because the numbers, it's never the same, bro. Like, I got this one way lower. Hold on, let's look at the hour. Damn, there's no reference point. This is on the hour right now. Yeah. These are like slightly different. I'm taking it. Taking it. I'm cool with it. Let's go. All right, guys. My account's at 25.6. I've been fighting, bro. But I'm learning a lot of lessons. Gotta wait for this to refresh. But, man, I would have passed bro, if I would have cut out so many mistakes, I would have passed already. But this is teaching me. This is teaching me how to cut out those mistakes. And I'm glad you guys are here for the journey, bro. I'm glad you guys are here for the journey. 700. And the other profit's coming in. It's not in yet. At 300. What's that gonna bring us up to? Drum roll, please. Next refresh in 54 seconds. And we could have stayed in the trade, gang. No cap. No cap, we could have stayed in it. I just got out of it just for the, like I said, man. For the sake of how much I lost already, and I just want to play it safe. I got time. I got days, so. And look at it. It's just going, bro. It's just going. Where the fuck? Why is it not in the same thing? It's so different. Look at it. Just look at it. Candles are getting smaller though. Even though it keeps getting lower. Look at Nas100. A nice reject. I think if I'm gonna trade Nas, I'm gonna use the fib. I'm gonna have to back test that. But yeah, man. We one step closer, gang. I cannot wait to upload that video. Look at that. I just can't get over it though. Oh, I thought I was making noodles. I didn't see that wick right there. But yeah, gang, man. I just can't wait to tell you guys that I'm funded. Bring us right back up to we was here before, gang. Man, why that look red? That's scaring me. Yo, 6, almost 700. What's the problem? My end date is the 25th. It's the 4th. All I gotta do is keep taking trades like that. My strategy gives me good ass risk to reward. And stop taking the bullshit. Stop taking the bullshit. I got another rule. If you lose on a pair twice, that's it. Don't enter no 3 times, gang. Because I lost 3 times today. Look at this. Look at this. Someone come look at this. Hold up. I lost 3 times. Is this? Yeah, look at this, guys. Look. My first loss was for 240. Then for 300. And then for 170. 180. That's a lot of losses, bro. And it's a lot of losses when you could have just lost twice on it and left it a day. You obviously something's happening with it that you're not be able to account for. And look at this, guys. Someone come and look at this. Sexy is doing his thing. But we're gonna start fresh tomorrow, Friday. Friday. Matter of fact, we gonna find that setup to help us pass. We gonna risk a half a fucking percentage, or maybe one. I'm gonna do one because that's what I've been doing. Wow, man, this is surreal. I can't wait till I pass the first fucking phase. Then I'm gonna pass the second one like that. And I'm just talking out ear off at this point. But hey, I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all see it. Everybody loses. I just lost 3 trades in a row. 3 trades in a row. And I won twice. And now we good. We up. Let me show you. This right here is going to show me exactly what happened today. Crazy. We lost 3 trades in a row for a total of $700 and whatever dollars. And we won 2 trades. 2 trades that didn't even realize our take profit fully. And we're up 400. We're up 1.5% for the day. And price is still... Look, I'm telling you guys, this is serious. I'm learning, and you guys, yo, I'm gonna be on a different level soon. And you guys get to see it. You guys get to see me at the bottom. You guys get to see me in debt. You guys get to see... Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. You guys get to see me at the bottom. You guys get to see me in debt. You guys get to see me struggle. This is the lowest I've ever been. I quit my job. I didn't even quit my job. I just couldn't go anymore. I just couldn't go anymore. It's just been me and the kids chilling. And I've been studying, and they've been patient with me. I don't know why I'm bragging and boasting about this. Like it hit the TP. It hit one of them. Bro, like I said, don't close your trades out early. I was trying to minimize risk because I was trying to get back to it. So I kind of understand why I did it. But yo, trust your analysis. Look at that. And I'm so excited. I'm so excited for this journey. No cap. Yeah, man. I'll see y'all. Oh.